Hi girls, this is Shehla. I'm back with the rest of the tutorial. So we are going to do the eyes. This is how I did my eye. It's matching with the whole theme of the face. What we are going to do is very simple. No priming of the eyes, only curling the lashes. And then the next step, I'm going to talk about this amazing product by Inglot. It's Inglot Aquastic. Take off the excess and then apply in the form of a dome on the whole lid. Why I did not put on any primer? Because this shade in itself is going to act like a primer, a flat brush like this, and then I am going to blend out and along the lash line and up into the crease. So this is up to you. This is where you can actually stop and you do not need to do anything else, but I always like to do a bit extra. I will take it again and go with the same brush, blend out. So blend it out like this. We will take a matching shadow. It can be from any brand. I'm using this one, which is again from Inglot. On a brush like this, tap off the excess and go in. So it gives much more dimension, much more color. And go under more than usual. You get the more gradient effect under the eye than you get on the upper eye as well. So this is how it looks. Now you will compare the two eyes. If they both look the same, it's fine. If you need some more, go in again. Now take a clean Q-tip and clean the inside of the eye. I am going to use Zhao Flash by Linda Hallberg. It has to be my favorite lower lash line. It gives a bright look to the eyes. Now I will take my highlighter of a glazed donut, a thick brush like this. Now I am using this It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. So let's coat each and every lash. I am not putting on any liner today, just for a change. Once you have coated each and every lash, go in, rotate, go in, rotate. Now along the lower lash line, and then let's come to the lip liner. I'm going to use by your something with a matching lipstick. It's a bit darker than that. I will tell you what to do. So go down. This is how I line it. I leave it like here, and then I'm going to use Makeup Forever. It looks like this. I will take, you can use a lip brush. I like to use this disposable ones. It blends out the edges. Like this. So this is how the finished look looks. What I will do with the mascara, which has dried by now, I take it off here and then here, and then I compare the two sides. If there is any, I will go in with a brush which has a bit of the concealer on it around the eyes to clean them up a little bit give a neater appearance, and along the so this is how is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you need answers to any of your questions, I am here. You can always ask and I will be sharing more pictures of this look. Thank you very much for watching. Love you, darlings.